Say gue. Say gue. Say move up. Gue. You speak Jamaican Patois? Say Patois. The clip you saw before was Babe and I getting ready to head to work this morning. I went to work early, Babe went after me, and this is me getting back from work and going to pick up Tyler from Babe's office that Babe already picked him up from the daycare. The struggles of parenting and working and juggling everything together. You just gotta do what you gotta do. You see this? This is my lunch. Only a real Jamaican or a black woman would do this. I'm actually at the bus stop, just leave work, reach home, and I have to go pick up Tyler, and I have to catch the very last bus for this part of the afternoon, and if I miss it, I am doomed. So this is what it calls when somebody said they have to do whatever it takes to do what you have to do. I have to do whatever it takes to catch this bus and go pick up my child from my husband so my husband can get work done. Okay, so I'm at the bus stop having my lunch, looking out for the bus and heading for Tyler. So that's one strike for me for not going to fast food today, because I had my lunch prepared, so I just got it warm, pick it up and jump off the bus. I've been so busy I haven't even got a chance to do a traditional welcome to the vlog. So good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. And as you can see, we are busy but still finding time to squeeze you guys into our day. We love you guys. I'm now heading off to pick up Tyler. I'm tired, lunch is done. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hi Phil. You guys, you wanna say hi? Say hello.
Hello.
How are you? Tell them what you've been up to all day. You went to daycare today? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. You made friends? Yes?
Yes.
He have nothing to do with me. I have no patience. He's gone. One.
Two.
Yeah.
Three.
Yes.
Four.
Mm-hmm.
Five.
Yes.
Six.
Yes.
7.
Yes.
8.
Yes.
9.
Bravo.
10.
Yes. Here. 11. Yeah. 12. Which one is this? This one.
14.
Yes. This one.
14.
Yes.
14.
Yes.
14.
This one.
14.
Yes, baby. Good job. What's the other one?
14.
15. Good
15.
job. Which one is this?
14.
This one.
16.
Yes.
14.
Yes.
19.
This one.
18.
Yes.
19.
Yes.
20.
Bravo! Good job. I have been home and I have been just chilling because it's one of those days where I feel extremely tired. As you see, my clothes are all messy because I've been just chilling, Tyler and I just relaxing. I've been super tired today. So I got home from picking up Tyler at the daycare. No, from picking up Tyler from Babe, and we just been chilling ever since we got home because, like I said, I've been tired. and I don't know what I want to eat, so I'm not cooking anything for me. But for babe, I'm actually in the kitchen cooking right now, and I'm making him shrimp, which is right there, and I'm making him his favorite beans and mushroom, which he loves, and I just have some seasoning in there, so the shrimp is going to go in there in just a minute. So this is dinner for babe, which is on his way home from work right now. So Thailand is here, and this boy is just getting smarter and smarter with each passing day. He's saying his numbers, he's saying his ABCs, and he love it. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, say hello. Hi. How are you? My sweet boy, smart boy.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes. What are you up to? What do you have to say for yourself? You guys, Tyler is talking Jamaican Patois. Earlier he tell me to go, and he tell me to move up.
Move up.
What?
Move up.
Say what?
What?
Say go.
Go.
Say go. Say move up.
Move up.
Go.
Go.
You speak Jamaican Patois? Say Patois.
Patois.
So you speak Jamaican Patois. Say go.
Go.
Go. You go. He looked at me earlier and said, go, move up. I don't know where he get that from, but it's me, of course. You go. Go. What are you doing now? So he's enjoying catching on the 1 and 2 Jamaican Patois that I speak when I'm speaking to my family and friends. It's just hilarious. To hear him say go and move up. Hilarious. You go. Go. No, out of the kitchen, please. Mentina. Tyler, what did I say? Out of the kitchen. Go on. Now. Thank you.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
Oday.
Étoile, bravo!
Daddy.
Tortue, bravo!
Brian.
Baleine, bravo!
Open.
C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Papi.
Dauphin,
Open.
dauphin.
Open.
C'est quoi ça?
Gap.
Crabe, bravo! You know all of them.
Gam.
You know all of them.
Gam.
Tyler? Tyler? Derrière toi. Tyler?
Dada.
Derrière toi là. Oui, c'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça? Tu sais pas? Montre à papa, c'est quoi? Un poisson? Just a fish. Yeah, look like just a fish. I don't know. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? Baleine?
Brian.
Baleine?
Brian.
Oui, bravo. Allez, papa, il va te brosser les dents, d'accord?
Un petit garçon les avait reçus un cadeau pour son anniversaire. Garçon. Et le cri de joie qu'il poussa en soulevant le couvercle de leur boîte fut le premier son qu'ils entendirent en ce monde. Tout de suite, il les aligna sur sa table. Les soldats étaient tous identiques, sauf un qui n'avait qu'une seule jambe. Une seule jambe? Il avait dû être coulé en dernier avec le peu de plomb qui restait. Cependant, malgré son infirmité, il était tout aussi solide que les autres. Sortis de leur boîte, les petits soldats furent accueillis par beaucoup d'autres poules et découvrirent sur la table un magnifique château en carton. Devant ce château se tenait une jolie danseuse, portant une robe vaporeuse avec une fleur cousue à la taille. Elle semblait s'envoler dans une gracieuse arabesque. Le soldat de plomb crut que la petite danseuse n'avait qu'une jambe, comme lui. Une jambe? Alors il pensa. Fini?
Fini.
Tu vas remettre ça? Allez.
Night, night.
Hold on. Going to. I didn't make him peace. I need to make him peace.
You say bye to the vlog?
No.
Tyler? Say bye.
Bye.
Till tomorrow. Night, night.
No.
This is the face of a very tired mom, a very tired wife, and a very tired human being, okay? I don't know if you guys saw when Tyler was going down for a nap that I was in workout clothes. Yes, it went down. I got workout in. It was, my day was just at a point where I wasn't feeling complete. I wasn't feeling right. I felt like something was missing. And when I have this feeling, I know what I need to do. I know I need to get a workout in to shake off that feeling, and that's exactly what I did. I got up and I worked out at 7:30. I didn't finish until after 9, but it's done, and thank God it's done. I know I'm tired and everybody's off to bed because I went to edit and I just finished editing. At least that is done, so tomorrow I just need to put title and finish it up tomorrow, but the hardest part is done for tonight. I know it is after 11 p.m. and I need to go and get some rest because I have an early day tomorrow, a long day tomorrow. So this mama is just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. We appreciate you. There won't be no babe or no Tyler tonight because they're all off to bed. So if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that bell. Click that bell, you guys, that way you get notification. And if your notification is not on, or if you don't get it, don't let them trick you, okay? Don't let them trick you. We upload every day, so you don't need a notification to go to our channel. Just go to our channel every day. A video will be there, we promise. And sometimes story times on weekend. So yeah, comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe as per usual. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys.